Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Navya and today we're gonna be doing a science experiment. So we didn't post the materials, but you can go get them now. So you can go get a balloon and a bottle, a plastic bottle, and also get 2 containers, one hot and one really cold. So if you have your hot and cold containers, I'm just gonna put a little bit of ice into my cold container so that it can get cold. If your container is quite cold, I mean your water is quite cold, then you don't need to put the ice in it. I'm done putting some of my ice, and you have your bottles, right? And the balloon you have, put it on top of the water bottle you have without no water, that's it. And so the first step is put the balloon you have on top of the water bottle. Okay, now you're doing the next step. So this thing, just do it like this. Now can you follow it? Like, press the water bottle a little bit. Put it into the cold tub you have. And then look what happened. It just deflated, right? Look, it's not like that what I did before, right? Do you know why this happened? Any guesses? And do you know why it deflated? Because the air particles inside it's really cold. The air particles inside are so cold. And the cold air particles go down, not up. So the cold air particles go down. So when they go down, the balloon will deflate because the air particles have to go up into the air to get like form a balloon. But in this, it doesn't because it's cold water, really cold water. So, okay. Now put it in the hot tub and wait for a few minutes. Wait a little underneath of your water bottle. It's really cold. Okay, so wait a little and you can see what will happen. Did you see your balloon popping up? Okay, and my balloon popped up, right? Not kind of like a balloon that when you blow air into it, but it really did pop out. And when I put it in this cold water, it deflated. But when I put it in the hot water, it popped up, right? Did that happen? And so any guesses why this happened?
Because when you just said the cold water particles go down, so that must mean hot water particles go up.
Yeah, that's right. Good job. Okay, and now when I put it outside, it's still popped up because the down is a little bit hotter. It's still popping. It's still popped up. It's going down. And do you know why it's going down? Because this is medium, like it's the outer, like this is too hot, this is hot, and this is cold. But this is medium, right? This is in between both of them. So it's like deflating, right? It's just like the cold water. Okay, mine deflated. Not fully deflated, but it did deflate. It will take some time to make it fully deflate. Let's start, okay? Okay, moving machine. Whether walking, talking, or smiling, your body machine is constantly on the move. Muscles make those moves happen. Using fuel from food, muscles get shorter or contract to pull your bones. Other muscles pump your blood or help you eat and breathe. So this is a picture of the red things are your muscles beside here. Body muscles. The muscles that you move your skeleton are found in layers under your skin. Here you can see the surface muscle on the left. Here you can see the surface muscles on the left. This is the one talking about. Some are named along with the movement they produce. More than 640 skeleton muscles shape your body and make up half of your weight. Muscles are connected to your bones by tendons. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this, and now I'm gonna talk about this muscle. The quadriceps femoris strengthens your leg at the knee and bends at the hip. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about this muscle. The sartorius bends your leg at the hip and turns it outward. This is what I'm talking about. And now I'm going to talk about this one. This shin muscle lifts your foot upwards and tilts it inwards. Now I'm going to talk about this muscle. It's kind of small. This one. Your toes. And helps you bend your foot upwards. So now I'm going to talk about the other sides. They're the same, but I'm going to talk about them. Okay? And I'm going to talk about this marvelous muscle. Microscopic views. The three pictures, the pink ones, pink and red ones. So the heart muscle has branching fibers. Fibers mean cells that keep your heart beating. Like fibers that pull your bones, smooth muscle squeezes allow organs such as your stomach. This muscle, the first one you see here is a heart muscle, and the second one you see here is a skeletal muscle, and the third one you see here is a smooth muscle. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you mean by that, Tanishka?
Navya.
You're welcome.
We're ending the meeting, right?
Yeah, you can go. Tanishka, just ask me a question in chat. So,
Bye.
thank
you.
Bye.
bye. See you.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Thank you.
Oh, so Tanishka, I live in Milpitas, California, Milpitas, on Butler Street. Okay? You can. Bye. 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 Everyone can go. I'm gonna end the meeting, okay? Okay. Bye. Bye bye.